Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I ordered 2 mystery bags from Happy Planner on Cyber Monday, and I'm going to unbox them with you right now. I have not looked at what's inside yet, and I just needed more planner supplies. Just kidding. I actually don't. So this is going to be a giveaway. I'm going to give away either all of this stuff or some of the stuff. I don't know until I see what's in here, but we'll talk about it in the video. I ordered Goalgetter and Bright Florals, so let's take a look at everything I received. One thing I need to mention is I did get an email from Happy Planner saying that the tote bags that these usually come in are coming separately. I don't know if that was a mistake or just how they had to ship it, but I don't have the bags yet. So that's kind of a bummer, but I just wanted to quick show you everything that I received, and hopefully I will get the bags soon. By the way, these are still available on the Happy Planner website, and these are such a great deal. So we're going to go over each one. This is the Goalgetter. Let's look at that one first. So this retails for $34.99, and it is a value of $159, which is incredible. It's still available, like I said. I will link both of these in the description box so that if you plan to purchase, I would love it if you'd use my affiliate link. These are great for if you're new to planning and you just need a lot of product at once to try to, get into it. It's also great for gifts for people who you want to try to get into the planning, habit. Or just, for yourself if you want more planner supplies. But I will link these. And don't forget, it does come with that tote bag, and the tote bags look super cute. I wish I had it to show you today, but I wanted to film this, quick. Okay, I have no idea what's in here because, as it said, it's a mystery bag. So first up, we have a classic guided happy journal, A Colorful Life. These are awesome. I actually already have this, so this will go in the giveaway pile. But let me just show it to you really quick. It's so cute and so useful. So it has all sorts of prompts for your goal setting. This is great for the new year. I purposely got this particular box because of the new year. It has this like really speckled pattern in the middle that's cute. And it just has things like your monthly goal check-ins, like this week's goals. And it has all these prompts for you to answer questions about your goals and just keep on track that way. I am very excited for goal setting for the new year, so I am probably going to be pulling mine out. Like I said, I do have this, and using some sheets. Like, you don't have to use this completely, but you can pull out separate sheets and put them in your own planner as well. Let's see what other goodies we have. I wonder if there's going to be anything I don't have. There probably will be. I think I had this and I gave it away before, maybe. I don't know. I might not have gotten this one. Anyway, this is a pen case, obviously, and it's black polka dots with a gold. I would take it out, but I don't think I need to. With a gold zipper, and it has this cute little pink elastic to go on your planner. Next up, these are old school Mamby sticks. Look at these. I never had this one. It's clear stickers, and you get just a ton of them. All of the ones about being a boss. This is old school too. Some wrong dashboards. I'll open this. Well, should I? I guess I can open this real quick. I think this is from like 2019 maybe. Still cute though. This stuff is still relevant even if it's older. Just keep that in mind. We have the high heels and Hello Beautiful and Girl You're Going Places. So these are dashboards, and they just will mark your place in your planner. They're sort of like bookmarks, but you can use them as dividers because they have the tabs at the top. So these are great to have. Next we have an undated hourly extension pack. I don't think I have one of these, but I do have hourly planners, so I don't need this, I don't think, because I think I have an hourly undated maybe. I'm not sure. But anyway, it includes, like, the extension packs always include some stickers, some sheets. Well, I'll show it to you quick. The problem with doing these flip throughs and pulling it out of the packaging is that I have to put it back in the packaging, and it is so tricky, you guys. It's always so tricky, but yeah, we have, it looks like this. This is the monthly, and then this is cool. I've never seen this actually. Set goals for this month. 1, 2, 3. 3 ways I expect to achieve this goal, what worked last month, and how can I carry out those strategies into this goal. So this is like the new productivity layout has that. Top priority list, we have long lists of tasks, and then it goes into your weekly layout, which is like the hourly. And then at the end of the month, it says things to follow up on. And then write it down. You have 2 blank sheets, and then upcoming projects, and then it goes into the next month. We have this and this. I don't know if all of these are, all of these mystery bags, wow. I don't know if all of these mystery bags are going to be the same because I haven't looked at any spoiler videos, or are they different? I am not sure, but I will find out after this video is filmed. Oh, a block pad. So I do have this one. I love this one. So this is a block pad. You can just rip off each sheet, and it's like a daily to-do list. And this says, wait, calls and emails on the bottom. Yesterday, now, tomorrow. Yesterday and tomorrow are crossed out, and it says now. So I've always loved this one because it's pink and it can just sit on my desk, and I can just use it for whatever I need for the day. Okay, we have more stickers here. These are older as well. So these are like little dashboard stickers. And then we have an accessory book, or accessory pack, sorry. These are so cool. They used to put these out all the time. I don't think they put them out anymore. I actually don't know if I have this one. I might. So up at the top here, it has stickers. So lots of functional stickers here especially, but some quotes and stuff. And then the middle is sticky notes. And then down here is like these little cards, daily focus, and they're double-sided. So you can pop these in, hustle your heart out. Focus on the good. So you can pop these into your planner, and it's just like a little extra sheet if you need it. So I used to really like these accessory books. And we have 3 sticker books. Okay, one I am very happy about because I wanted to buy a second one of this. So this is not going in the giveaway. I think what I'm going to give away is like most of the mystery bag, but then I might keep 1 or 2 things for myself. Is that selfish? Maybe, but that's just how it's going to go. So this is the sticker book that I always hoped I had another one of, and I only have one. So I am going to keep this sticker book because it's empowering women, and is it women or woman? Woman. And I always really loved this one. I think it's so cute. And you know what, though? I don't need it. I don't need it. I have so many stickers. All right, I'm not going to keep it. I love it. I think it's adorable, but I'm not going to keep it. I do have too many stickers. Then we have Girl with Goals. I mean, that makes sense. I do have this one as well. This is more neutral. Very functional, very useful. And then we have the Girl with Goals accessory book, which I think I also have too. And the accessory books are sort of like those accessory packs, except they're a little bit bigger. So we have a priority list here. This is not a sticky note, it's just regular paper. And then these are sticky notes. And then we have a whole sticker section here. So they're meant to be like a companion to the sticker book, but they're not going to be the same stickers in there. Some of them might be the same, but it's like if I was making a spread with Girl with Goals, if I remembered to, I would try to take this out too, so you have both of them to work with at the same time. So that's a lot for $34.99, because keep in mind, like these sticker books are usually over $20 each. And already there's like 3. And then you get all the other stuff too, and the cute bag, which I don't have yet, but this is such an awesome deal. So that is Goalgetter. Let's look at the other one I got. I'm a little more excited for this one because it's bright florals, and I love florals. So disclaimer, I may keep something in here, but I think what I'm going to do is do like a giveaway of both of these boxes. But so two winners. So there's going to be 2 winners, but I don't know if I'm keeping anything in here or not. I'll tell you all the rules at the end of the video. But I hate to tell you, since the bags didn't come yet, I think I'm going to keep the bags and just, because I kind of wanted the bags, and I will just be giving away what's inside the bags. So just so you're aware of that. All right, let's take a look at this stuff. We have some pink plastic discs. They're the flower ones. And then we have the smiley face yellow discs. So cute. And I do have these. I love these. These are the note cards, and I would take them out, but it's sealed, so I'm not going to, because I'm just going to leave it like this for the person who wins it. But these are the Marabou Design Happy Notes. So you get 2 different designs, and there's 10 of each. So you get 20 note cards in all with envelopes. I actually used these when I gave my Patreon members gifts at Go Wild last year. So they're great for everyday use. Look at this. I don't have this one, but I'm going to give it away because I have so many pen cases. Don't wait for the sunshine, be the sunshine. That's really cute. It's like a tie-dye one. I've never seen that before. And it has a gold zipper, and it snaps right into your planner. Okay, we have the Pressed Florals Planner Companion Accessory Pack. I don't know if I've had this one before. I'm not going to open this. I think it's really hard to get these back in, so I don't think I'm going to open this one because I want it to be nice for the person who wins it. But it has a dry erase board, 2 vision boards, 1 envelope, and then 2 smaller envelopes, 20 note sheets, 1 storage folder, and 31 stickers, and then that cute little bracelet right there, which is really cute. I actually really like that, but I'm going to give it away. And to go along with that, we have the Pressed Florals accessory book. It's got a little bit bent. Keep that in mind if you win it. It got slightly bent in the package, I think. It's not too bad, though. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is so pretty. I think I have this one, but look at that list. That's so pretty. And then we have the sticky notes and then all of these stickers. I love the Pressed Florals line. I think it's so cute. And then to go along with that, of course, we have the Pressed Floral sticker book. One of my faves. How pretty, look, those big quotes. I love those. This is great for springtime spreads. I've used these flowers so many times in spreads. I think they're beautiful. Yeah. So really cute sticker book. If you don't have these, like, this is such a good deal. It's such a good deal. I do have this one. We have a little half sheet which says 1, 2, 3. So your priorities for the day, and then it has tomorrow on the bottom. And then, oh, some of them say happy notes on it. Is that happy notes? Yeah. Some of them say happy notes, but they all have this in the middle. There's more coming. Okay, so this is an undated happy planner. You have a vertical layout undated. Oh my gosh, this is tricky. I might have to keep this. Should I? I use these for Patreon spreads, and I do have to buy these. I may keep this one just because I run out of these. I'm going to keep this one. I am sorry. Just so you're aware, if you are the winner of the flower bag, it's going to be minus this. But you get so many other cute things. So I'm sorry. I'm keeping this one just because I do need these. Okay, and lastly, we have a sticker book storage box. And this will be in the giveaway because it doesn't match my other ones. But these are so useful. I store all of my Happy Planner sticker books in these storage boxes. Every single one of them goes in these boxes. They're so sturdy. They've been through so many moves with me. And they're still just fine. So yeah, I would totally recommend these boxes. But anyway, this is such a cute haul. I love it. So, okay, let me think of the rules for this giveaway. Okay, like I said, there's going to be 2 winners. One will win the florals and one will win the goal one. What I need you to do is leave a comment and just say you want to enter the giveaway, and then give me your choices in order. Tell me which one you want to win most, and then second. I can't promise you if you win that you'll get the one you like the most, but I will try. If 2 people win that want florals or 2 people win that want goals, you're going to get the other, you might get the other one, but I will try. This giveaway will be open until Tuesday, December 12th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I will then use a random number generator to pick 2 winners. I will be announcing the winner that day, so it would probably be later in the day. So what I need you to do is pay attention to your YouTube notifications, because I'm going to reply to your comment if you win. And then you're going to need to send me your address via email, and I'll give that in the comment. In the past, I have mentioned that you need to be subscribed to win. You don't have to be, but it would be preferable. So if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, I'd appreciate that. I don't like to put too many rules on my giveaways because I feel like it's just kind of greedy, like I'm just trying to get something from you, and I'm not. I'm trying to give you something. So that's why I try not to put too many rules on these giveaways. I haven't done a flash giveaway in a while. For a while, I was doing giveaways like towards the end of a video to see who watched. And I haven't done one of those in at least a few months, probably longer. But so I'm excited to give this stuff away. This is only open to residents of the United States. I'm really sorry, but this stuff is kind of heavy and it can get expensive with shipping to different countries. And also there are so many rules now about shipping that I get really confused about it. So I'd rather just keep it to US. All of the rules will be down in the description box, so you can check those out if you missed something, but it is open until Tuesday, December 12th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little video, and good luck to you in the giveaway if you plan to enter, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.